Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I've got a cohorted unboxing for you. I did cancel it. Well, I tried to cancel it, but it arrived. So yes, we've got another one. Well, they sent me an email saying that it was being dispatched, but I have cancelled it, so they have took the payment obviously as well. Cohorted is £35 a month. It is one of my most expensive boxes, and yeah, so you usually get about £80 worth of products. So we're just going to unbox it, and it comes in this really nice box with a ribbon on it. Got the information up on the webpage. Yes, I was correct, it is £35 a month. So yeah, so we're going to get into this box, and it's a gripping thriller. Oh, I love thriller books. I'm so looking forward to reading this when I go to bed tonight then. So it is, I will just give you a little bit of a tester on this. It's called Prologue. Heavy hands and vicious heels swooped and clacked over the parkway. We crossed the hallway to set a double doors, the low hum within indicating that the men were already inside. Wow. So yeah, so you get a little bit of a book. And this is like, it has a few parts to it. It has that really good reading. So I'm interested in that. Right, so this is the Cohorted, and sorry if you can hear my dog barking, but this is it. And so we're just going to unbox it like so. And there you see it. And with Cohorted you also get a magazine, and we looks like we've got an eyeshadow palette this month. We've got the Cargo Wanderlust eyeshadow palette, so I will be doing a look with that, so watch out for that video. I'll show you it. And then what have we got? Oh, we got La Note, Lancome, not that, right, you know what I mean. And this is Lancome de Paris de Perfume Shower Gel. So there we go. Then we got a, what are you, soft, you are the NCLA Los Angeles So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Really good for when I put on my false nails. You always need to get your cuticles really supple. This is what I've been interested in. This is what I got an email saying that this was going to be in it, and it's the ARC skincare. I've been really interested in this. This is the intensive hand and nail cream formula. I did not know they did a hand and nail cream. Right, okay, so then this is another ARC one. This is the hydration injection mask. This is the one I was interested in. The hydration mask. So I'm so pleased I got it in the box. So that was, I'm so pleased with it, realistically. That's what I wanted. So I'm happy with this box. This month it was a good box for me. I'm just going to actually show you the eyeshadows because this is well worth it. It is Cargo, and you know what I think of Cargo, I really do like them. So we're just going to try and see if it will come open. Just going to get something to open it with, and prise it open. So it's Wanderlust. Did I already tell you that? Probably I did. Right. Magnetic flip lid, like so. You could just actually play with that for ages and then your nail drops off, so not advisable. Right. Okay, so we're going. Oh, you want to see my setup there? Right, okay, so the first one I'm going to have a look at is, what are you called? Navigate. There we go, navigate. I will just put a few on them, we'll swatch them now. Then we're going to go with light. Then we're going to go with dream. Oh, that's a fair colour. Fair deepness dark. It looks like purple, but it's really dark purple. Right. So then we're going to go with desire, and now I'm just going to swatch them. So there we go. Wow, look at those colours. And this one is desire. You see them? Really nice pigmented colour. I do like this one here, this white one. That would be like a nice to go in the corners of your eyes, or so looking forward to using these. Right, so then I'm going to go with Festival, which is that colour. Then we're going to go with Rome, which is that colour, and then Travel, that colour, then Voyage, that colour. So I'm going to swatch those just about here. You see that one? Oh, really nice colours. So then I'm running out of hand space here. Right, we're going to go with Wonder, which is that colour. And then I am just going to get a brush or something. I'll just show you them like this, and I'll show you them like that. Actually, running out of colours. That one is Curious. Looks a bit lilac-y on there, but it's actually a brown. And then we're going to go probably with, I'm running out of hands, Discover. Yep, right, we'll try Discover. Discover's like a whitish colour. And then we have got Explore. Explore is that type of colour, right. So I'm just going to swatch some more for you. This one is Explore. If you see it, no, it's not showing up. And this one is the other one. I don't think that's going to show up neither. It's just there. Here it is. That one is Discover. Yep, so I am really impressed with this palette. Right, so then we got this, which is the Lanute Lancome Paris Shower Gel. Yes, I'm so pleased it's a shower gel. I can't use bath products because I just don't have a bath. So yeah, so oh my gosh, that is a really nice scent. It smells like marshmallows and roses. It's like a I get the scent of marshmallows and roses. It's really like a nice sweet scent to it, so I'm super looking forward to that in the shower. And then we got this. Now this is like for cuticles of your nails, so it's like a nail treatment. Comes with a dropper like so, so I'm just going to try a bit, probably rub it on my nail like so. Oh, it's really nice and oily, and it's super soothing, so that is really nice. It doesn't do, oh, it has a nice, that has a nice scent to it as well. That is really a gorgeous scent to that. So I'm really happy with this box this month. It really has done well. This is the Skin Perfector Hydration Mask. I will probably do a video on this because it's really interesting. Like, I want to see if it really does do work, and I'm going to show you guys the results of it. So yeah, so I look forward to this box. It's so good this month. I'm really happy with it. Cohorted, you did really well this month. So if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye. This is the magazine that comes with your Cohorted box, and it just goes on a bit about the products that you got. So this month's brand discovery was ARC skincare, which I've never had that before, but it was a brand new brand. So then we got, it's just going on about the ARC skincare hydration mask. So this one was it, and this is £35 on its own. So that's the price of your box. So that's pretty good. And we got 75ml. I'm sure that's 75ml. It does say 75ml. And it is going to go on about the top tips used in flight or post travel to prevent the drying effect from aircraft cabin and air. So it's just basically going on about you can use it in an airplane. And it is, we've got the Body Beautiful Intensive Hand and Nail Cream. This one is £20. So there's £55. There we go. So there is the £55. And we didn't get the deuce this month. But we got, is this deuce? It could be. No, it's not. It's not made by deuce. It's NCLA. So we didn't get deuce this month. But deuce is upcoming. So it's a limited edition beauty box that deuce is bringing out. See that? And we got the cargo palette, which is this one, which is £35 on its own. So 55 and 35 is about £90. We got that's for this month. Then we got another, is it brand discovery? Yes, we got another brand discovery, which is NCLA, and it just goes on a bit about them there. And it's, how much is NCLA? So NCLA is £10, and it was the winner of 2017 in the Beauty Awards. So this box has been really well worth it this month. I do like it. So this month is a winner for me. And it's going on about the Lancome. Oh, we also got this, didn't we? Which I forgot about this. But this is the shower gel. And we got this in a 50ml, and that is 50ml, and that is £10. So up to now this box is £110. It's well worth it, this box, this month. And so yeah, so it's just going on about the Discover the Ovali collection, and there we go. And also you got 15% off the first order of absolutecollagen.com. Just use code COHORT and you get your 15% off. Okay,